Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys had a beautiful day. You know it's your girl twalacole, aka Sister Cole. And you know over here we do everything. We do lookbooks, we do product reviews. I give you a good word here and there, cook, clean, just everything. Perfume, clothing, hauls. We do all. We just like to see. Go ahead and push that subscribe button right, boom, right now. I would welcome you and enjoy having you. Let's get into this video. All right, so what I'm going to be doing today is a little lookbook for you guys. With a white dress. It's not the whole thing is not white, but it is a white dress. And this is something that you could wear, like to a picnic, perhaps an all white party, but it's something that's easy, it's breezy, it's cute, and it's plain, but we're gonna see how we can dress up a little plain dress, okay, as the one I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's look this hair. So sorry you guys, I got the fan on because it's hot. I'm sorry I couldn't turn it off. It's hot, it's too hot. But let's get into this look. A little light. I'm gonna do a little makeup, something light, nothing crazy. Okay, and what I'm gonna be doing is I will be putting on some eyeshadow. I will be doing mascara, my eyeliner, and my lips. Okay, because you guys know I don't like a lot of makeup and stuff on my face. I don't wear makeup all the time because I believe a lot of makeup and stuff for me breaks out your face, and I just don't want to have to deal with those issues at this point in time in my life. Okay, all right, at this point I'm going to put on my makeup. I'm not going to be doing much talking, but as you can see, I'm putting on the makeup, and you guys know that I do not like a heavy beat. I don't beat my face at all. I just do something very basic because I'm a basic girl. On top of that, I just like I stated before, I just don't like to use so much makeup because I don't want my skin to start acting up. So I just do the very basic. The bare minimum is what I do, and I only do this sometimes when I'm going out. So and I'm still learning. I like to look at different people's pages that do makeup and stuff, and I'm coming along. I've learned a few tips, and so yeah, so get into the look, honey.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west.
Guys, here is the full look. All right, the full look. So here's the little white dress that I was telling you. Here's the little white dress. All right. Now I can wear this at an all white party. I can wear this at a backyard barbecue. I can wear this, a night out with the girls, a bruncheon or something like that. Really for a bruncheon. I don't know a night out, but maybe a bruncheon, okay? I guess it would be good for a night out. A simple white dress. I have on these cute little white shoes. You guys seen these before? These shoes are very comfortable. I believe they're in you. I got them from DSW. This white dress is from SHEIN. The hair from Amazon, okay? And then I have on gold jewelry with it. I love these earrings. They're like hangy gold leaves, and I believe that I got these from, I think I got them from JCPenney's. All right, so here it is. Here's the back of the dress, okay? And here's the front. All right, and I would do this purse. I would do my white Brandon Blackwood bag. Okay, here she is. She's a beaut. Yeah. All right, easy, breezy. I'm going out. Nothing crazy. The makeup was 1, 2, 3. Nothing crazy, but yet it looks like I spent, you know what I'm saying? Like I spent a lot of time, but look at that. This was less, honestly, this was less than an hour getting ready. And this is the reason why I always gravitate to these little dresses like this, because they're cute and they're easy to, it's just easy. This dress, when I first got it, I didn't like it, you guys, because I just felt like, but you know, I was like, K. My scent, I'm going to do this K Ali number 28. Yep, I think it's 28. K Ali number 28. I love the scent. Vanilla. It's the vanilla scent. Get into the look, honey. Get into the look. Yes. Get into it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So you guys tell me, how do you like it? What is it that you would have did different? How you would have styled it? I definitely want to hear from you guys. Oh, let's put some shades on with it. Let's put some, okay? The shades are kind of like an off beige. It goes with the lipstick and the little pieces of pineapples that's in the dress. And boom, here it is. Here's the look. Yes. All right, so you guys tell me what you think. All right, in the comments below. Deuces. And don't forget that you are blessed and highly favored. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put.